welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 150th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India, 38 Salesians from 2 Southern Theologates ordained deacons. Mervyn Joy reports from Chennai.
With the ordination of 14 more Salesians as deacons in Chennai on 19th March 2023, the tally of diaconate ordinations from southern India has increased to 38. Previous day, on 18th March, 24 Salesians were ordained deacons at Christ Jyoti College. Another 32 clerics are due to be ordained deacons at Sacred Heart College, Shillong in Northeast India on 1st July 2023.
Mervyn Joy reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India, 90 widows get livelihood support. Father Joseph Charles reports from Tiruchi.
Don Bosco Anbu Illam Salem and Bosco Gramin Vikas Kendra Ahmed Nagar jointly organized a model village development project on 23rd March 2023. 5 villages have been selected, focusing on families of those who lost their earning members as drivers. The Cummins India Foundation, through its corporate social responsibility initiatives, supports the project. The project supports 90 widows of truck drivers of Sangagiri in Salem by giving tailoring machines and training them to be tailors.
Father Joseph Charles reporting. India, 27 seminarians graduate in philosophy. Father Dixon Eugene reports from Aluva.
The final year students of philosophy 2021-23 batch at Don Bosco Seminary, Keelmart, Alva, Bangalore Province graduated on 24th March 2023. The ceremony began with a solemn profession of the graduates and the dignitaries of the day. After the welcome speech by the principal, the Vice Provincial Chief Guest of the day, Father Shalvin Kalanjeri, delivered the keynote address, congratulated the graduates for their 2 years of hard work in intellectual pursuit. He reminded them that philosophical studies are a point of departure to serve the young with all their learnings as effective practical trainees. He also awarded the diploma to the 27 graduates and handed over academic proficiency awards to 6 students who secured distinction with 80% and above.
Father Dixon Eugene reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India Psycho-Spiritual Wholeness Center marks 20 years. Founder-Director Father Jose Parapulli reports from Jharjmari in Punjab.
The 20th anniversary celebrations of Sumedha Center began with Bishop Ignatius Mascarenhas of Shimla Chandigarh lighting ceremonial lamp and presiding over the Eucharist. Delhi Provincial Father Davis Maniparamban and former Provincial Father K. Joseph, who promoted setting up of the Sumedha Center, were concelebrants with several priests. Provincial inaugurated the new Sumedha Center website created by Dr. Shalu Tandon, HOD of the IT department at Don Bosco Institute of Technology at Okla, New Delhi. Sumedha Center was set up and inaugurated at Don Bosco Specialized Training Center, Don Bosco Provincial House, New Delhi, on March 19, 2003. In March 2009, the center shifted its operations to Jollycote, Uttarakhand, in the Diocese of Bareilly. On March 19, 2022, the centre was again moved to the current location at Don Bosco's Senior Secondary School premises at Jarmari, Punjab.
Father Jose Parapulli reporting. Myanmar training held for planning and development officers. Father Andrea Mong Mong reports from Anisakan.
The coordinator of Salesian Mission Offices, Father MC George, conducted a 3-day training course for planning and development officers at Provincial House Anisakan from 23rd to 25th March 2023. Among 21 participants, the majority were rectors and economists of the houses in the Vice Province. The main intention of the course was to help the Vice Province to find ideas, possibilities and ways to develop itself to be self-sustainable and independent in the near future. During training, participants learned about attitude farming, sustainability projects and fundraising principles which are down to earth and easy to put into practice.
Father Andrea Mong Mong reporting. Papua New Guinea Strena theme inspires Community Day events. Cleric Thomas Warawara reports from Kokopo.
As the East Rise a Community Champion was the theme of the Community Day celebrations at Don Bosco Technical Secondary School, Kokopo, held on 16th and 17th March 2023. After the solemn Eucharistic celebration presided over by Rector of the Community, field and track events followed. After the lighting of the torch, the 4 teams presented their creative march past and war cries in front of the judges and had the team colors. Parents from the neighboring communities also came to see the students taking part in the different field and track events.
Cleric Thomas Warawara reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.